To take advantage of Unreal's reflection system and to expose stuff to Blueprint, we use the UPROPERTY as well as the UFUNCTION macros. We usually use them along with specifiers, Blueprint read only, Blueprint read write, and the others which we'll talk about. Create a derived class to our actor. Here, find my actor. Let's call it BP my actor. Head into the event graph, type in read only, the one which we marked as read only. There is no setter as you can see. But if you search for the second one, you have both a getter as well as a setter. Head into our class default section. The ones with edit anywhere and edit defaults only can be found here. So this is the default value that these will take, drag them in the level. Edit defaults only variable is not over here. UFUNCTION does something similar but to function. To call a C++ function from Blueprint, you can add Blueprint callable. You can call this like any other function. If you double click on it, this is the logic that will actually be executed. Blueprint pure will give you a function without the execution pins. Now, if you want to call a Blueprint function in C++, you'll have to define it with the Blueprint implementable event specifier. Under the override section, you will find your implementable event function. You can give whatever logic you want. Now, if you call it, the Blueprint logic which you have is going to be executed. You can also have functions with return types. You can combine it with the Blueprint callable specifier to also be able to call the function in Blueprint. And hot reload, you'll see that this is going to be callable now. To have both a Blueprint and C++ implementation, you can use the Blueprint native event. You need two functions for this. One is the function itself and one with underscore implementation. Inside the implementation, you can give your C++ logic. To provide Blueprint logic, you'll find it under the override section. Now you can right click and add a call to parent function to call the C++ version. And now you can run your Blueprint logic. Blueprint callable can be used here as well and work similar to Blueprint implementable event.